Hello, welcome to the RenoPlan tutorial series. In this video, we will be going over how pro users can import a plan or sketches to scale and trace out their homes. Starting out, we will select the Tools icon in the top left and select More at the bottom of our list. From this new menu, we can select Import Plan. From this menu, you can select the plan and continue to the scaling process. Once your plan is imported, go back to the Tools option, select More, and then at the bottom of the list, select the Set Scale option. Setting the scale will require you to know a reference measurement on the plan. Place your starting point and drag your line to get your dimension pop-up. This pop-up will allow you to put in the actual size, which will be the dimension measurement. Once this has been set, you can select Done and start the takeoff process. Starting to trace out using the free draw tool is just as easy, so you can quickly get your plans completed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for future updates and videos for all MeasureSquare products.